Hi guys, in today's video I will show you my application which I have made to teach your kids. Basically it's just a small project. I have written more than 600 coding lines to make this application, and I have named it as Kids Teacher. Okay, so it's version 1.1.2 of my product. So it's a part of Usman Mughal products. This application shows counting tables and alphabets of English, what you want to see for your knowledge. So first of all I will go to tables, and keep in mind this application checks for error at any stage. I will show you, I will produce errors. Here I have option 1 2 3 4. I don't have any other option except 4. I will write here 65. Let's see what it says. Wrong input. So I wanna go to tables, so I will write one and then press enter. Which table you want me to show you? I wanna read 14's table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, and up to 14 nines are 126, and 14 tens are 140. Do you want to check any other table? I will say no. Okay, now counting. Okay, let's go to counting. Please select any option from the list. Now I will show counting of your choice. So let's read 1 2 3 or 1 2 3. So I will go with second option. Okay, now I will show counting in English up to the number of your choice, and let's see, go to 105. You can only select counting. What it did said, let me read it again. Between 1 to 100. Okay, it have bounded me 1 to 100, so I will go up to 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, do you want to read counting again? I will say yes. Okay, now I will first option, I will go for 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, do you want to read counting again? I say no. Okay, now let's get to alphabets. So third option, so we have three options here: capital alphabets, small alphabets, and third is alphabets with an example, I mean A for apple. So first of all let's go with first option. Do you want to read alphabets again in small mode? I will say yes. So let's go to second option. Okay, here we have in small mode, so ABC is in small mode, so I will say no, or I will say yes. Okay, now we go to third option. Apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, and it will keep showing. I will pause video until. Okay, here is W for wolf, X for xylophone, and Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. So it's asking, do you want to read alphabets again? I say no. So it will take me to the out on main menu. So now we have fourth option, exit. We have two options. I will have to enter 4 or -1. If I enter any of these options, my application will be exited. So let's press 4 and see what happens. Thanks for selecting our product, and here it is. That's enough. Yes, I worked very okay. So if you like my product, please comment below and tell me how was it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel, and I will show you, if you guys give me 20 comments on this video, I will give you the code for this application. Thanks for watching and see you in my upcoming video. Bye bye.